Start. This appeal arises from the award dated 13/1/2011 passed by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Kurukshetra, for short the tribunal full stop para. The appeal involves a question of law full stop para whether the personal accident cover for short PAC issued on payment of additional premium will cover the owner of the vehicle who is driving the vehicle or other person, also including the borrower of the vehicle question mark. For deciding the aforesaid legal issue involved in the appeal, it would be appropriate to consider the question para whether borrower of a vehicle can claim compensation under section 163A of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 for short the act question mark. Bare facts necessary for adjudication of the appeal are that on 11/3/2009, Naresh Kumar was driving a motorcycle bearing registration number HR 41B0547 for short the vehicle, which was owned by Joginder Singh, son of Sultan Singh full stop. The said vehicle struck against another motorcycle bearing registration number HR01W9726 full stop. As a result of accident, Naresh Kumar received multiple injuries and lost his life full stop. FIR number 18 dated 11/3/2009 was restricted at police station Jhansa full stop. Legal heirs of the deceased filed a claim petition under section 163A of the Act full stop. In the claim petition, owner of the vehicle was arrayed as respondent number 1 and respondent number 2 was insurer of the vehicle full stop. The tribunal held that the claimants are not entitled to any compensation under section 163A of the Act, but a sum of rupees 1 lakh was awarded by oblique for PAC full stop para. The insurance company has filed this appeal being aggrieved of the impugned award, submitting that borrower of the vehicle was not covered under PAC full stop. The issue that the borrower of a vehicle will also be covered under the PAC is based on argument arising from decision of the Supreme Court in so and so and others versus United India Insurance Company Limited 2009-4 156 PLR 796 SC full stop para. In the light of the aforesaid submissions, the question that falls for our consideration is whether the legal representatives of a person full stop who was driving a motor vehicle, after borrowing it from the real owner meets with an accident without involving any other vehicle, would be entitled to compensation under section 163A of MVA or under any other provisions of law, and also whether the insurer who issued the insurance policy would be bound to indemnify the deceased or his legal representatives question mark. We have already extracted section 163A of the MVA herein before full stop. A bare perusal of the said provision would make it explicitly clear that persons like the deceased in the present case would step into the shoes of the owner of the vehicle full stop. In a case wherein the victim died or where he was permanently disabled due to an accident arising out of the aforesaid motor vehicle, in that event the liability to make payment of the compensation is on the insurance company or the owner, as the case may be as provided under section 163A full stop. But it is proved that the driver is the owner of the motor vehicle, in that case the owner could not himself be a recipient of compensation, as the liability to pay the same is on him, full stop. This proposition is absolutely clear on a regarding reading of section 163A of the MVA, full stop. Accordingly, legal representatives of the deceased who have stepped into the shoes of the owner of the motor vehicle could not have claimed compensation under section 163A of the MVA, full stop.